Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So guys, we may finally get to see the Pixel Watch this year. Leaks about the same began to appear in 2018, but it was April 2021 when we got the codename for the watch. By the way, it's Rohan, and this info was given by leaker John Prosser. After that, he showed off some renders to show how this device might look. In December 2021, folks at Business Insider shared details about the project. It basically said that the smartwatch is being built by Google's Pixel hardware group, which is separate from Fitbit, and that the watch may launch next year, that is 2022, in second quarter. However, following the Business Insider report, Prosser doubled down on his claims about the design, the Pixel Watch name, and a 2022 release date. He then shared what he claimed was some grainy shots of the marketing material showing off the Pixel Watch. The images directly support his claims of the round, bezel-less design we can expect from the Google smartwatch. But the question remained when it's gonna launch. Well, the Business Insider intel suggests that the Pixel Watch is on track to launch in second quarter of 2022, which would mean at some point between April and June. And now John Prosser has claimed that the Pixel Watch will launch on 26th May during Google I/O 2022. This is when Google may also launch Google Pixel 6a. So now let's take a look at what we can expect from the Google Pixel Watch. It will likely have a circular face with a minimalistic look similar to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. That's according to leaked images and a set of official looking images, thus there could be credibility in the leak. The Pixel Watch could have a crown for navigation similar to Apple Watch and a design without bezels or buttons. Google may also offer changeable bands that are specific to the Pixel Watch, says the report from Prosser and Insider. Back in 2018, we also heard that there might be 3 different versions of the watch, but we don't know if those details are still accurate. What we know for sure is that the watch will run on Wear OS. Wear OS 3 has been built by Google and Samsung, and currently the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is the only smartwatch on the market that's running it. But even that will change, as many are scheduled to receive the update at some point in 2022. Furthermore, leaks reveal that Google Pixel Watch may have features like step counting and heart rate monitoring. The Fitbit integration may also have impact on the software. A picture shown by 9to5Google revealed how the Google Pixel Watch could integrate Fitbit fitness tracking across various watch faces. The watch face picture revealed shows the Fitbit logo alongside a tally of stairs climbed and total calories burned. But the biggest question is whether the Pixel Watch will have Google specific features similar to its Pixel phones. In any case, all these leaks suggest that we may see big software improvements when the Google Pixel Watch finally arrives. When it comes to performance, it could be equipped with a custom-made chip by Samsung. It is possible that the chipset will be a customized Exynos W920 that powers the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. There are also rumors that the watch may feature Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus SoC. So as you can tell, there is still a lot that we don't know at the moment. With that said, if you want to get updated on this topic, then be sure to subscribe. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.